So in this video, we are going to see about the merge conflicts in GitHub and how to use the GitHub IDE to fix them. So I'm going to show you how to resolve a GitHub merge conflict. But to do that first, we need to create a merge conflict. So merge conflict happens when two different branches edit the same file. So you can see my sample HTML file, download HTML file, and you can see that on my main branch. Now I'm going to create a new branch called uh, feature branch. On the main branch, create branch feature from main. And now both the feature branch and the main branch have this sample HTML download file. But I'm going to edit this on my feature branch. Let's say hello feature branch. Now we edited the file on the feature branch. So now we edited this file on my feature branch. It is now not same as the master branch. Now we can do merge here. There had been no conflict because the HTML file and the main branch hasn't changed, but let's add some to it. Let's go to the main branch and let's do some changes here. Let's say goodbye world main branch. Now actually we have the environment where the HTML file is been updated in main branch, and also it's been updated in the feature branch. Actually the Git has no idea of these two together, to merge this two together. So let's see how to do it. Ask the Git to resolve the merge conflict. So let me click on the pull request. So you can compare and pull, you can click new pull request. New pull request. So in this pull request, we are going to merge feature branch into the main branch. So you can see here, can't automatically merge. You can see the comment here. So I'm clicking on create pull new request. Before that, let's add some description here. Fix the people problem. Let me click on the create pull request. So now you can see this branch has conflicts that must be resolved. So to fix this, we can use web editor or the command line to fix it. So let me use web editor. So now in the editor, it says this is what on the feature branch and this is what on the main branch. You can see here feature branch and main branch. So I'm going to delete all the like before that, the best way to fix the merge conflict is to do not have this code at all. Let's take example of Java. Um, so compare it with Java. So we are going to this, delete this content, and let's say hello, goodbye, goodbye from the merge of feature and master. Sorry, and main, because we are using main branch too, that's why. So we should think how that code should work together. This is why we deleted that content and the whole content we added here. So let's give markers result, then we'll give update and commit merge. So you can see it passes the test, then let's commit, then we commit it. So once this merge has been committed, you can see, sorry, you can see um, you can see here this branch has no conflict with the base branch. Now we are ready to merge it. So let's click on this merge pull request and confirm merge. You can see the pull request successfully merged and closed. So you can see here merged. So let's go to the, let me refresh. So here now we need to go to the, let's check by going to the feature branch and the main branch. Sorry. So you can see in the main branch we have the same code, and let's check in the feature branch. We are having the same code in the feature branch too. This